So we can apply the same thing with pedigree. A lot of people are coming from different schools at Michigan, which is wonderful. We get Princeton, Harvard, state schools, small schools, international schools. Sometimes people worry about their pedigree. But again, we can have hypothetical job candidate, Mr. Rieger, elite school, can't write, versus okay school, can write. No choice, right? Not even an option. Why do we go with number 2?
That's all that really matters. Big
time. Grades, schools, they can help you get to certain places, but as you're entering the professional world, nobody cares about it. If the work is excellent. And that's what we're shooting for. Excellent work every time. Another thing about the okay school can't write versus elite school can write, if you went to an elite school and you can't write, I start to question the elite school. I start to question the kind of education that you had. And as someone who represents the University of Michigan, newsflash, you go to an elite school. I have a vested interest in protecting and enhancing the reputation of this place. So we need to make sure that you all are excellent writers. That's about me. More important about you is the sense of this formula. Elite school plus can write, unlimited opportunity. You come from a place like Michigan and you can demonstrate that you can write, you can go anywhere. We have judges, we have CEOs, we have venture capitalists, we have public defenders. Everybody from this place who can write can go on to do big things. Elite school plus can't write, much more constrained. You get the boost from Michigan, you'll get some networking connections, but after a while, if you can't write, no one's really going to care about your diploma. So we're going to spend a lot of time to prepare you for this idea of becoming a professional writer so that you become an even better lawyer.